I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Framer website. We'll start by diving into Framer's intuitive interface, which empowers you to build stunning sites without code. First, open Framer and create a brand new project. You'll immediately see the canvas, your digital workspace. Get familiar with the left sidebar for layers and assets, and the right sidebar for properties. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth design journey. Now that your project is set up, let's focus on design. Framer offers robust layout tools like stacks and grids, making responsive design straightforward. You can easily arrange elements to look great on desktop, tablet, and mobile devices. Drag and drop components, adjust their properties, and begin to shape the visual identity of your site. Remember, a well-structured layout is the foundation of an excellent user experience. With your layout in place, it's time to bring your website to life with interactivity. Framer excels at creating smooth animations and transitions, adding a professional polish. Easily link pages together to build intuitive navigation flows, guiding your users seamlessly. Leverage the power of components to create reusable elements like headers or footers, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistency across your entire site. Finally, it's time to share your creation with the world. Before publishing, always preview your website on different devices to ensure everything looks perfect. Framer makes publishing incredibly simple. With just a few clicks, your site can go live, even with a custom domain. For dynamic content, explore Framer's built-in content management system, allowing you to update text and images effortlessly. Congratulations, your Framer website is now live.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.